In today's video tutorial, we will learn what is a VLAN, why we use VLAN, and how we create a VLAN. So, VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. If you search it on Google, Google is gonna respond you with the same thing. But I will tell you something in this video what Google cannot tell you. So, the VLAN is a virtual LAN. If you don't know about LAN, don't worry. I'm gonna tell you in this video everything, like what is LAN and what is a virtual LAN and why we create it. So the basic feature of creating a VLAN is to enhancing the security, performance, and how we do that, I'm gonna create a scenario in Cisco Packet Tracer. I will create a complete lab so you guys can understand completely. It's not going to be just a theory. Okay, so this application basically people use for practicing the Cisco switches and routers, but I use this for making scenarios. So first of all, I'm gonna take just one switch and 4 computers for the simple or the simplest theory of VLAN. And it's gonna take 30 to 35 seconds because of STP, and if you guys want to know what is STP, just comment below. I will make another video on STP. This switch takes 30 to 35 seconds to completely turn on these ports, just because of security. That's another feature of Cisco, but if you guys want to know, just let me know. So I created 2 VLANs, VLAN ID number 10, VLAN ID number 20. So ID 10 is representing the HR department and ID 20 is representing the IT department. So let's say there are 4 computers, 2 are from IT department and 2 computers are from the HR department. So I'm gonna assign IP address to all of them. I assign this one 10.10.10.2, this one 10.10.10.3. So I'm gonna assign an IP address here 10.10.10.3. Oh, sorry, 4, because I already assigned 2 and 3, and the subnet mask is this, and for this one I'm gonna assign another IP address 10.10.10.5 255.255.255.0. Okay, so now something which needs to be noticed is you can see all the computer IP addresses are in the same subnet, right? Okay, so I created VLANs on this computer. Let me show you in the graphical user interface. So there is a VLAN ID 10 and 20 for IT and 10 for HR. Okay, so this port of fast Ethernet 0/1 is assigned on VLAN 10 and the other one is assigned on 20. So these two are on both are on different VLANs. HR is in VLAN 10 and here HR is in VLAN 10 on the IT computers are in VLAN ID 20. Okay, so I'm gonna try pinging. Let's try from IT PC to let's try first with the IP PC. So this computer IP address is 3, right? Okay, so I'm gonna ping 10.10.10.3. So I am able to ping the IT department computer, but what if I try to access the other computer, which is the HR computer, and the IP address is 10.10.2. So I'm gonna change the IP address from 10 to 10.10.10.3 to 10.10.10.2. So now you can see I'm not able to ping. That means within the LAN I'm not able to access that computer just because it's now secured with the VLAN. So this is one of the biggest reasons to create VLAN, that devices cannot communicate to each other within the same LAN, so that secures your network. Okay, and the second thing I mentioned, ease of network, how that thing's gonna apply on VLAN. Okay, let me just enhance this diagram. So I'm gonna create another router or another switch. So now it looks a little bit complicated network, but in the real-time environment you will see like so many switches in just one network. So that's the best way to manage all of these devices to create VLAN, so you know how many computers you have in VLAN, like 10, 11, 12. Okay, so the third reason I told you of VLAN is enhancing the network performance. And how that thing's gonna work, let me show you with the real-time scenario. So here in the Cisco Packet Tracer, we have this simulation option. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send, let me fix this first. Yeah, so I'm gonna send a packet from PC4 to the PC2, and it will show you everything in the simulation. Okay, so I placed packet 1 to PC4, which is the PC in the HR department. So I'm sending the packet to IT. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna play this. Okay, so it sent the message, how this thing works. So it sent the message to this switch to find out where that the PC is. Okay, so now it's gonna send the broadcast. You can see it's sending just to the HR department. Why? Just because this PC is in HR department. So that means the network performance is already enhanced. That packet is just being sent to those VLAN ports where it related to, but you see the packet showed that it was not received. Why? Because it was not for those PCs, it was for IT PC. And the bonus, how to create VLAN. I have made 2 videos, one on Cisco, another one on MikroTik router. I will suggest watching both of the videos, so after watching those videos you'll be able to create VLAN on any of the vendor's device. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found this video interesting, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to ring the bell icon so you never miss out any video from this channel.